The goal is to die with memories, not dreams. This really speaks to me. I have had this feeling several times in my life when I had to jump into an unknown adventure because my currently routine was killing me. Step out of your comfort zone and explore the unknown if that will lead to the life you want.
Welcome back to my channel Travel Canvas. This is Piali and today is day 3 and we are going to Shiliguri back again and today is the last day. I'm feeling so sad today and today's plan is to visit some tea garden. I am right now in front of Chitre waterfalls. This is a famous waterfall. Let me show you the around.
Anyone traveling en route to Kalimpong or Sikkim from the plains can never miss Chitre Falls. Located in Mangbar forest before the road bifurcates in Chitre, the site of the falls is prominent due to its location. And how can one miss the gushing sound of the falls that crashes into boulders before feeding into the Tista rivers? Although the falls can be seen through the seasons, the volume of water increases during the monsoons and it cascades in three tiers. The story of Tista begins 23,386 feet above the sea level at the Phanguri Glacier situated between the Tibet and India border. The Tista River, with its beautiful trail, is nature's splendor. One of the best places to see Tista meeting Rangit and surrounded by lush forest is the Peshok viewpoint. There is also a viewpoint at Tista from where one can get the mesmerizing views. One could easily be fascinated by the panoramic sight of hills, mountains, forests, and enchanting river Tista in its serpentine form. Do not follow where the path leads. Go where there is no path and leave a trail. A good traveler has no fixed plans and is not intent on arriving. Travel makes you modest. You see what a tiny place you occupy in the world. gardens on the both sides of the road, scent of tea leaves in the air, the greenery. Those are just like green covers. This garden is a delight to the eye and solace for soul. This beautiful tea garden is capable to amuse the visitors by its magnificent scenery around. Traveling leaves you speechless, then turns you into a storyteller. As we wander for distractions, but we travel for fulfillment. You will go farther and faster when you travel alone. It's better to see something once than to hear about it 100 times. Travel is the only thing you buy that makes you richer. The water was so glassy and calm, still candy colored in the afterglow of sunset. Even the most beautiful days eventually have their sunsets. Now let me share you our complete itinerary with cost and stay details so that you can also travel safely in these pandemic situations, and if you are planning to visit this place it will definitely help you. We have started from Kolkata and we traveled through Darjeeling Mail from Shialda station and reached NJB around 8 pm next day morning. After freshen up, we start our journey towards Kalimpong. We booked cab from taxi stand and it cost us approx 2200. The distance from NJP to Kalimpong approx 67 kilometers and it took us almost 3 hours to reach Kalimpong. Our first stay was with Majestic Orchid Retreat for 2 days. Tariff was around 1500 inclusive of taxes and complimentary breakfast, and the booking link is mentioned below. Kalimpong first day sightseeing includes Lava, Kolakam, Rishabh, Changi Falls. Really cost us approximately 4000. The own car from hotel was the best options though. While you are sightseeing the places like Changi Falls, Kolakam, please carry some dry foods, water bottles and carry some dry clothes also. Last day we spent in Morgan House. You can book it from WBTTC website and the link mentioned below. The last day we returned from Kalimpong to NJB en route to visit some tea gardens and the taxi fare was approximately 4000. Please keep in mind that you have to carry your double dose vaccination certificate or RT-PCR COVID negative report to enter the state. If you are planning to travel through train, then you need to carry bed sheets as the bed linen are not be providing, and carry wipers to clean the seat as well. Also keep sanitizer paper soap handy. Sunset is so marvelous that even the sun itself watches it every day in the reflections of the infinite oceans. It's not just a sunset, it's a moonrise too. And this is the end of this video. Hope it will help your travel planning safely and wisely. Please subscribe my channel, do like, comment and share. Till then, thank you for watching. Tada!